Bay windows add charm, elegance, and functionality to any home, making them a popular choice for homeowners in Meridian. If you're considering installing a bay window, you may be wondering whether to take the DIY route or hire a professional. While both options have their benefits, the right choice depends on your skills, budget, and desired outcome. This guide will help you decide whether DIY or professional bay window installation is the best fit for your home in Meridian. Understanding bay windows. Bay windows protrude outward from a home's main walls, creating a small nook that adds space and allows natural light to enter from multiple angles. They typically consist of 3 or more window panels and can be designed in various styles, including angled bay windows, a classic choice with a sloped look. Box bay windows, a modern style with a squared-off design. Bow windows, a more rounded version with 4 or more panes. Because of their size and structure, installing a bay window requires careful planning and execution, making it crucial to weigh the pros and cons of DIY versus professional installation. DIY bay window installation. Pros and cons. DIY installation may seem like a cost-effective approach, but it comes with challenges. Here are some key points to consider. Pros. Cost savings. You avoid labor costs, potentially saving thousands of dollars. Personal satisfaction. Completing a large home improvement project yourself can be rewarding. Flexibility. You can work at your own pace and schedule the installation when it's most convenient. Cons. Skill level required. Installing a bay window involves structural changes, including framing, insulation, and sealing. Mistakes can lead to air leaks, water damage, or instability. Time-consuming. The process can take several days, especially if you have limited experience. Specialized tools needed. You may need power tools, shims, insulation materials, and a level, which adds to your overall cost. No warranty or guarantees. Mistakes or installation failures are your responsibility, with no professional warranty to back up the work. Professional bay window installation. Pros and cons. Hiring a professional window installer ensures a smooth and high-quality result, but it comes with added costs. Here's what to consider. Pros. Expertise and precision. Professionals have the experience and skills to install bay windows correctly, preventing structural issues. Time saving. Most professionals can complete the installation in a single day, minimizing disruption. Proper insulation and sealing. A professional ensures energy efficiency by properly insulating and sealing the window. Warranty and guarantees. Many professional installations come with warranties, providing peace of mind. Code compliance. Professionals follow local building codes, ensuring your installation meets safety and regulatory standards. Cons. Higher cost. Professional installation is more expensive due to labor costs. Scheduling constraints. You may need to work around the installer's availability. Cost comparison. DIY versus professional installation. DIY installation. Material costs typically range from $800 to $3,000, depending on window size and quality. Additional costs for tools and supplies can push the total higher. Professional installation. Costs generally range from $3,000 to $7,500, depending on the window type, customization, and labor fees. Which option is best for you? If you have prior experience with home improvement projects, the necessary tools, and a willingness to invest the time, DIY installation may be a viable option. However, if you prioritize efficiency, quality, and long-term durability, hiring a professional is the smarter investment. Final thought: bay windows can transform your home's appearance and functionality, but proper installation is key to ensuring long-term performance. While DIY installation can save money up front, professional installation provides expertise, efficiency, and peace of mind. Meridian homeowners should weigh the risks and rewards of each approach before making a final decision. If you're uncertain, consulting a professional for an estimate may help guide your choice.